representative for the youth wing. So actually, it's not about that whether you lose or you win the election, but it's just that we will try to come back in 23. That is our hard work. If we really work hard, so I believe that I and all my colleagues will come back, and then we will continue to work as a team. But if we lose an election also, we don't mind working for our party, and it's our duty also to serve our party. So we don't lose hope, and I believe that we'll come back as a whole, and then we will try to increase more numbers. That is our promise to the people of our state, and I believe that when we have more numbers as a youth, and then people will see some more change will be there in our states. So here's our MDC from Garo Hills, and then we have associate member also from there, and then we believe that in future we will try to work hard. That's why we still have some more time, and then we will try to work and then try to reach out each and every corner of our state, so that we will have numbers. And I believe that in this 2023, we believe that we will be our party will lead this government.
We have so many parties, so many youth. So what difference?
The difference is that we try to give justice to our people of our state. What do they want us to do? So we will try to collect the information from them, that what exactly do they want from us. If that points which they really want us to do is relevant and constructive, we will go ahead with that point, and then we might take it as a resolution for the 7 which we'll be having in the council.